Model, 2006 Ford Transit 350 Luton box van long wheelbase, 2.4 TDDI starts drives fine noisy turbo. Body, white, Luton, box. Mileage, 162626. Engine, 2402 cc 2.4, TD. Transmission, 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs really well but turbo is whistling louder than normal, so will need replacing sooner rather than later. It still starts and drives brilliantly. This is a simple 2-hour job to replace the turbo on these ultra-reliable machines. Grin gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, electric windows. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.